Vizag atmosphere totally changed. It's a fresh air is coming. Trees are moving, and in Rohini Gatha's last 5 days, we are suffering like anything. Just we are getting the cool air. Air is, I think so. This is the fresh air. As after just now, I had bath. After bath, just getting the cooling air. There's a feeling like as a good thing. Very very happy. Total climate. I mean, the clouds are changed and atmosphere, and I think so. The airstrikes. I mean, like Telugu word Merupulu is just yeah the sound. What I'm saying, same the sound. So I like this atmosphere. Really like it. Total climate is changed. Actually, I posted a few videos about what I was suffering. Totally early morning, just you never believe, just nearly one glass of water came up from my body, as like with a sweat. Uh, Feeling like very very happy. Last 5 days, feeling like anything. Just listening some raindrops sounds on the red shades. It's falling on the red shades. Feeling the different sounds, giving me happy. Yeah, slowly climate is changing and the trees are moving different style. Wow, I like this sound. I think so. It's a big rain will become. I think so. I hope so. God grace, God, Warren Deva is blessed us. I feel like that. So little bit of fear. The persons who are outside from the home, how they will come back. So this is the fear. That's it. But climate is so good.